Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and I want to show you this gorgeous Incrediball hedge. I'm sure you've seen it in many advertisements, from TV to radio to Facebook to all the social channels. But I'm here today at Spring Meadow Nursery, and I want to show you this gorgeous hedge. So the way the sun's situated right now, the sun is hitting this hedge, so we're getting a lot of shadows going on. But this is kind of a famous hedge, I would say, of the Incrediball Hydrangeas. The hedge is about 5 foot tall, and I can't even say how wide the plants are because they're planted so tight together that it's just constant plants. The nice thing with the Incrediball Hydrangea is really large blooms, as you can see here. And this plant is in a full sun to part shade garden. And the beautiful thing is the stems are so sturdy that even with all these really big flower heads, like the plant is just, it's perfect looking. We had a storm about 3 days ago, and it was a pretty windy, lot of rain type of storm. And you can see that these Incrediball hydrangeas were not even phased by the amount of water and about the amount of wind that was that came about. So just really shining bright and looking gorgeous here in the trial garden today. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings with the Incrediball Hydrangea.